look what I got. 3 Amiga 2000 motherboards. This one supposedly is fully functional. Corrosion looks pretty good. Looks like the battery has been sealed. Revision 6 motherboards. Nothing terrible. This is the second one. No corrosion on any of the pins. A little bit of battery residue at the bottom. Pins look good. The keyboard has slight amounts of corrosion on it still. I've been cleaning this one all night. But overall, looks pretty good. Back side of this board had residue all over it. I've been cleaning most of it. You see a little bit left still right there, some white residue. I'm guessing something spilled. Bottom of the case. Cleaning this one, it looks pretty, it looks like I got most of it out. Still some corrosion right there. There's still some residue on the base of the board. I'll have to clean this one at least one more time. There's some gook. See if I can get this one repaired. Put all my custom chips in this board, because these two boards came to me with no custom chips. This one looks pretty good as well. Custom chips. The battery damage is pretty bad. There's a lot of leakage. All the pins of the CPU socket are covered. Some corrosion down here. That little IC has got some corrosion on it. And the CPU expansion socket's got corrosion on it, so that could be an issue. I'll look through some repair videos to see what I can find. Still got to pull the heat shield off this one to see if I can find any corrosion underneath it, but the shield looks in pretty good shape.